Scene 1, Shopping for ingredients at the market. Prompt, a charming anthropomorphic cat with soft orange fur, big expressive eyes, and a playful tail explores a bustling Indian market. The cat wears a tiny white chef's hat and a vibrant apron with traditional Indian patterns. The market is filled with fresh vegetables, fragrant spices, and baskets of rice and lentils. The cat carefully selects ripe tomatoes, onions, and fresh coriander, inspecting each item with curiosity. Nearby, shopkeepers arrange colorful spices in neat piles, and customers haggle over prices. The atmosphere is lively, with warm golden sunlight filtering through fabric canopies overhead. Scene 2, Preparing ingredients in the kitchen. Prompt, the same cute, expressive orange cat, still wearing its white chef's hat and traditional Indian apron, stands in a cozy, traditional Indian kitchen. The kitchen features wooden shelves filled with spices in small brass containers, a mortar and pestle, and fresh herbs hanging from a rack. The cat is focused, carefully chopping onions and tomatoes on a wooden cutting board with its tiny paws. A clay pot of steaming basmati rice sits on the counter, and the warm glow of a hanging lantern creates a homely atmosphere. The cat's whiskers twitch as it prepares for the next step of cooking. Scene 3, Cooking dosa on a tawa. Prompt, the same orange-furred anthropomorphic cat, wearing a white chef's hat and colorful Indian apron, stands in front of a hot tawa, griddle, in a traditional Indian kitchen. The cat skillfully spreads dosa batter in a perfect spiral using a small cup, its tail slightly raised in concentration. Steam rises as the thin crepe crisps up, turning golden brown at the edges. A small bowl of coconut chutney and a pot of sambar sit nearby. The warm lighting highlights the rich colors of the kitchen, with brass utensils and clay pots adding authenticity. The cat's eyes sparkle with excitement as it flips the dosa with a spatula. Scene 4, Cooking paneer butter masala. Prompt, the same cute orange-furred cat, still dressed in its chef's hat and vibrant Indian apron, stands at the stove in a cozy Indian kitchen. It stirs a rich, creamy paneer butter masala in a black iron kadai, watching as the tomato-based gravy thickens. Cubes of golden paneer float in the flavorful sauce, and fresh cream is drizzled on top. The air is filled with the aroma of spices like cumin, cardamom, and garam masala. Behind the cat, a small window lets in warm afternoon sunlight, illuminating a neatly arranged spice rack and fresh coriander leaves on the countertop.